Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Aryan's Playland Fun. You are with me, Teacher Hanara, and today we are going to learn prepositions. I managed to fit my schedule today for a special lesson for my English CEFR teachers and students. And why is that? Because today is the first day of online school. Although we are unable to meet face-to-face, we can meet here virtually in my classroom. Feel free to leave a comment down below for question on today's lesson. And today, I will be using my avatar to conduct my lesson. Hope you guys like it. Now let's begin. An introduction on prepositions. Prepositions are words which begin the prepositional phrases. A prepositional phrase is a group of words containing a preposition, a noun or pronoun, object of the preposition, and any modifiers of the object. Let's see some examples that we can do together. Let's try together. Choose the best preposition to show where the cat is. Good job. The answer is above. What about this one? Well done. The answer is behind. This one is a little tricky. What do you think? Yes, the answer is near. Now let's try this one. Very good. The answer is between. This is an easy one. Good job. The answer is in front of. This is a funny one. That's right. The answer is in. Now, how about this one? Very good. The answer is next to. Can you try this one? Good job. The answer is on. And now for the final one. Bravo! The answer is under. Good job, everyone. You have now mastered the basics of prepositions. Feel free to comment down below any questions you might have on today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, Aryan's Playland Fun. See you later!